Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vitania Bunga Khairani. Usually people call me Vita. And here I am want to present my first project of ICT in ELT with the title that is Digital Assessment Tools in ELT. Okay, let's to the topic. I just want to share screen about my matrix. Have you see it? Can't you see it? Um, First of all, we have to know that what is assessment tools. As we already see in Google, or maybe we are already search first about digital assessment tools, that is online or software-based application used to measure and track students' learning progress, skill, or knowledge. These tools enable teacher to create, administer, and grade assessments digitally, making the evaluation process more efficient and interactive. And there's a lot of kind of digital assessment tools itself. I just put four in my PPT. That is Google Forms. And then the second is Kahoot. The third, that is Quizzes. And then the fourth, that is Socrative. So maybe there's a lot of digital tools outside that you can find in Google or something that you can find. But in my PPT, I just put four of them for the exam. Okay. For as what I said before, that I choose Google Form to do assessment tools in this project. As we know that Google Form is a free web-based tool provided by Google that allows user to create and distribute surveys like quizzes or form for collecting information. Teacher can also use Google Form to create assessment like quiz and survey for their student, allowing them to gather responses quickly. And there's a lot of that advantage for of Google Form for teacher assessment. That is easy for of use. Like Google Form is user friendly and easy to set up. Teacher can create various type of question, including like short question, multiple choice, and short what is that? Check boxes, I guess. And then second is automate grading. We when used for quizzes, teacher can set correct answer, and Google Form can automatically grade student responses, saving time on manual grading. And then accessibility. Google Form is cloud-based from anywhere with an internet connection. It's also accessible on mobile device. There's a lot of advantage from using Google Form, because it is make student become more easier to do assess for student point. If we want to see that student skill in every skill, we just can like write down like what we want to looking for from them, and then after that give the question, um have a survey from that question that we are already shared to them, and then after that it's easy for us to make to ask them to answer the question, because they are our teacher. I mean, they can answer it from mobile phone, from their on mobile phone, everywhere that they are want to answer it. And then after that, um, before that, I just want you to know that I choose reading skill to do this. Um, what is that? Or to do this project, because I see that reading skill that makes the student more like to give them exercise to make them more fluently when they are want to say something in English, and it's also give them to have a new knowledge from what they are already read before. So I just choose that because there's a lot of advantage from reading skill that they are have to have. And then also, the benefits of using ICT in ELT, or English language teaching assessment. The first is efficiency and speed. ICT tools can automate the assessment process, making grading quicker and more efficient. And then the second is instant feedback. Uh, Challenges for the teacher to using AI tools, because as we know that the student can open the link that is from their own mobile phone, and then after that they also can looking for the answer from Google also in the same time to answer the question. So maybe it's not really works if we let the student just like if we let the student just answer it by their own self. So yeah, we have to control them to answer the question, so make the student honesty to answer it, not looking for the Google or maybe either side that they can search the answer from your question. Maybe that is the challenges one of using ICT in ELT assessment for the teacher. Slide is about teacher point of view using digital assessment tools. Okay. This is in the first in the left, that is the first step that you have to search first, that is about the tools that you want to use. I just want to use Google Form. In a Google Form, we are looking for Google Form, and then after that we search Google Form in Google, and then after that the Google show us like some block, and then we click that block, and then become like in the right side. You can see that in the right side of me there is a block with this appearance, and then you see that blank formula. Yes, blank formula. You can click that, and then you can create your assessment. I mean, you can create your quiz for your student. Next, after you click that button, or maybe or the blank formula that I already show you, and then it will become like this appearance, this block. This block is show us about formulir tanpa judul. Yes, you can put your title. Maybe you can put like the skill of what you want to take from your student. It can be reading skill, writing skill, listening skill, or something like that. Or maybe you want to put like the title of what you want to build. And then the down of that, there is a description block that you can write down what you want, like instruction for your student to answer the question, or maybe like spirit word for your student, so they are like happy, or maybe like have energy to answer your question. And then after that, the appearance will be like in the right side of me, will be like this. And then the next, that is you can put the question. Like what I already put that. I already put the question over here. And then after that, I just put like one question. I put like every question there is short paragraph, because I want to see the reading skill of my teacher. I'm sorry, of my student. And then yeah, I just put like short paragraph that they are have to read that to find the answer. yeah, just like this, I give the question, and then after that, in the right side of me, there is a key answer or kunci jawaban. You can click the button, and then will be like this appearance. You can write down the some answer that maybe will become the good or the right answer for your student. And then don't forget to put down the point. You have to see, you can see that I just put like 25 points every question, because I put 4 questions, so every question I just put like 25 point. If you want to put it's up to you, you want to put how many points for your student, but I just want to make it easy. I just put like 25 point every question and every right answer for my student. And then next, after everything that you have to done, you can see that is publication in the right up. I'm sorry, in the right up of that block. You can see that there is a purple what is that? There is a purple button. You can um click that button. You can publication your question for your student, and after that, the appearance will be become like this. That is, you can copy the link for your student in the left down side, and then after that, after you are already copy the link, you can save in the right down side. You can just click that save, and then after that you have the link, and then your student can use this link. I got my link, and then yeah, I would just share with my student, and then my student can answer their question. Okay, next is student point of view using digital assessment tools. I want you to know that not just from Google, not I'm sorry, not just from teacher side, but also from student side. This is the student point of view using digital assessment tools. First, after the student got the link, they can just click the link, and then after that, the appearance become like in the first block. It will be like this. The student can scroll down, and then after that, find the question that I already built. They can answer it in the downside. You can see there is a column to answer the question. After they are answer 4 questions that I already gave to them, they are can send their question. After they send their question, the appearance become like this. They are already have done doing the task in the third, and then after that, if they are want to see their score, they can click the purple button, and then after that, it will become like in the fourth side. They are can see how many right, how many wrong, how many mistake, how many right, and how many mistake that they are built. So yeah, it's easy for the teacher doing assessment, because AI will give it clearly. If we put 25 every question, so AI can also make it simple. AI also can what is that? How to say it? AI can also clearly give all the point that student give to us, so we're not have to think again how many right, how many wrong, because it's tools works they are doing for us. It's easy for we become a teacher right now. So yeah, maybe that is my explanation about my first project in ICT in ELT. Hope you got what I already said to you. Hope it works for you um to give the to make it easy for you to have the assessment for your student. Thanks a lot already want to watch my videos. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.